Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have Fischer projection of acid which has side chain phenyl, three different phenyl group. One is benzyl, another is substituted phenyl. You are reacting with hydrofluoric acid. You should find what will be the final product. Here the problem in the plain side, you have to redraw the molecule for the better understanding. The molecule given with the twist that phenyl groups are hidden. Let us redraw the phenyl group with stereochemistry. The two phenyls are trans and benzyl in the side chain. So you have acid, you are reacting with HF. HF is very strong acid. Pull the OH out, it forms acyl cation. You have benzene ring and acyl cation, definitely the possibility for acylation, whether the para or ortho substitution form. Here ortho substitution is favorable because of ring size. Only the ortho substitution leads to the 6-member ring. So fused ring formation happen with the retention of stereochemistry. The concept you have to learn here is always you have to imagine the molecule with reaction center as well as the functional groups. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.